Welcome back, baby doll. So, it's no secret, right? 99% of influencers, they're not our friends. They're always gonna press X to flush us. Look at this little peppy. Okay? But why? Why is this the case? Well, they only shill after big green candles. They use us for exit liquidity. I provide value by highlighting deep value crypto. And for that reason, friends, I am always going to be fading the crowd. And that means I'm always going to be unpopular. But I'm always going to be your friend. I'm going to show you some charts to explain this. Because when you get smarter, you can provide info to the rest of us. And our community can keep growing. The friendship community. Okay, so I have my profile here. You click on the results. I'm just going to go through a few examples, man, because I want to show you. I want to show you what this means. So there is a big difference. Big difference. So these are my results, man. I'm just going to take like two examples. You can take any. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Look, if you look at, for example, Solana. I was telling everyone, look, man, things going down 80%. It wasn't easy, man, being long here. I even forgot where I bought. It was not easy being wrong. Okay? And you know it's going to be a success story. But no one else does, man. No one else. It was not easy at all. It was difficult. I was fading the crowd. The general consensus was that Bitcoin is going to be king and Bitcoin's going to kill everything and Ethereum's even lucky to be alive. That's what the general consensus was back here. Okay? And I held on and on and on and on, and I still didn't get out. Man. Guess where? Oh my God. You're like, whoa. There you go. There's my 100x. Guess where this Solana appears on like Crypto Banter and all these other influencer shows, man. Exactly. That's when it appears. Man. Too late. It's too late. That's when it's popular. Because you got to understand, I'm here to win. I'm here to make money. I want to like beat everyone. We have to win without like hurting other people. And how do we do that? We've got to make the right decisions. These influencers, they might not be all bad people. I'm sure you sit down with them, you can have a beer with them, everything's cool. They probably look after their families and everything. But 99% of them are scum. They're scum. They're trying to take money from your wallet. I don't care if this makes me no friends. I don't care, man. I've gotten crushed with you guys listening to them. Trust betrayed. And I learned. Okay? So many other examples. Do you think I was called a hero for telling everyone to buy Fantom? Do you think I was called a hero, man? Was not called anything. I think I got it down here. I forgot. And I kept buying. No. I was called an idiot, man. I was fading the crowd. Oh my God, Fantom's gonna change the world. That's exactly what it came up to be, man. This is when you tell me about it. You can't win. You're never gonna win doing this. So if you're following me, you see these results. Yeah, I want a buy and a sell signal too, but we're gonna have to wait. Most influencers, they're trying to destroy us. Now, they might not actively think about it, but all their actions suggest, and every word that comes out of their mouths, they're trying to kill us, man. We're their exit liquidity. They literally don't care of us. They don't care about us. We are just a number. We're a view. We are a subscriber to their VIP, premium, Telegram, Discord, trading referral links. They don't care about us, man. They don't care. They're farming views. Their dopamine is when, look at here. Here's my, you know this little follower thing? When they see their numbers go up, they're like, yes, man, I don't care. This can go negative numbers. I don't care. I can quit tomorrow. These other people, they can't. They need us. They need us for views and to keep them relevant. Which kind of tells you go, wait a minute. If they need us, then are they even making money from moves like this? No, they're not, because they're not long, man. They get long here. They get long after the big green candles. They don't know what the hell they're doing. They don't know what the hell they're doing. If they did know what they were doing, they'd keep their mouths shut about what they're doing. That's how you know they're not doing. They don't know what they're doing. Time and time again. So You can even go back, man. I've just got a super trend chart on Bitcoin. You go back to a monthly. Look, if you wait, by the way, this is like a strategy. You can do this to play momentum. Let's put on a weekly chart. Yeah. You know, it's so easy for me. I can literally sit here and tell you, oh, the super trend procced red here, and when it procs blue because it's a weekly time frame, you're going to get long. I can tell you that. But that's going to get you nowhere, man. That's going to get you nowhere. Because you're going to lose sight of everything. Because you're probably going to get faked out. Look at this. It went up, yay, doubles, and then it comes back. You don't know where to get out, man. You know, look, it procs red again. Whoop-de-doo. So all you're thinking about is, okay, I got long at $5,400 and now the price is $7,200. You're not going to retire with that mindset. You're not. You're going to retire by thinking about, okay, 2024, 2025, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how you're going to make it. Chasing these big green candles, wrong. And by the way, this is a good strategy. This is, okay, you got to get in very, very timely. You got to get in on the break. Influencers, they're not telling you to get in here, man. You think they're telling you to get in here? They're going to be like, why? They're going to be making like YouTube videos and tweets, why we should be up here and why we should keep going up. That's what all they're going to be talking about. And then when we go down, it's why we're going down and we should be going down. And then we're going to go up. Why we're going up and we should go up. Okay, and then the zombie virus. Okay, why the worst is yet to come. You get nothing from that. Nothing. You need to keep it clean. You step into the ring. You put your gloves on. You got to start throwing some jabs. You know there's 10 rounds to this fight, man. You don't knock yourself out in round one. Go, oh, what happened here? Wait. You're not going to make it. These influencers, they don't care about us. We're just trading referral shield link numbers to them. They don't care. Doesn't matter whether... You just got to assume that they want to kill us. I promise you. I don't like taking this nihilistic view on the world, but this is actually how you make it in trading and investing and everything. It's the same thing. Right? Long-term investing is just long-term trading. It's the exact same thing. You buy low, you sell high. So, when I bring coins up, so I went through Solana and Fantom. Yeah, they went moonshots. They weren't telling me. No one was telling me about this stuff when you needed to hear about it. I am. I'm the one. I'm like, hey man, yeah, it's really disgusting. There's a lot of red candles here, but I'm telling you, it's underpriced. Do you know how hard it is to say underpriced? This whole time, week after week for a whole year, 52 weeks in a row of everyone saying, you're an idiot, the worst is yet to come, People don't care, man. They don't care about us winning. They don't care. ChainLink, 15 red monthly Heikenhashi candles. I don't care if it keeps going down. It's undervalued to me. I don't care. I've done all the work. I can't force these green candles up. No one can. HEX, same thing. 15 red monthly candles. I don't care. Narrative. Oh, it's a scam. It's a Ponzi. The worst is yet to come. I don't care, man. I don't care. I heard the same thing in 2019, in 2020. I've heard it 2021. You know. Yes, yous were right in 2021, but when were yous right? Yous were right in the last 4 weeks of the year. So yous were wrong for the first 11 months. Wow. Congratulations. Yes. The worst is yet to come. I know influencers who literally sold when Bitcoin hit 17K to 22K. And they just kept saying the worst is yet to come. Some of them got short. Some of them left. They missed the whole freaking run, man. They missed the whole run. Oh, wow. Congratulations. Like, who cares? How are you going to benefit of that? You can't. So, when I see these, I am taking the bullets for everyone. Like, every day I wake up. More abuse. But I don't care, man. Keep it coming. We're going to be strong. I don't care. This is how I know I'm right. More abuse means more people don't believe, which means the intensity of the red candles is killing everyone. That's how you know you're right. You think if Hex does these green candles, man, you think everyone's going to be calling me an idiot? No, everyone's going to be calling me a champion. And I'm going to be like, uh-oh, I feel like a fraud and I shouldn't be here just because some green candles appeared. You know, I'm already prepared for this. I've done this before. I've done the exact same thing before. Go check my tweets. I was calling for the near top, Avalanche top, BNB top, Matic top, Solana top. I called them all. Because there's conferences, everyone's like, yeah, we're going to the moon. So, where do you want to be? I'm going to ask you now. Okay? I can take off these cute little super trends. Okay? And I can tell you, what type of man or woman do you think you are? Do you think you're strong? Because I'm telling you right now, man, you see how hard it is to step in front of. I know these are candles on a screen. You're thinking, oh, whoop-de-doo, but you know the weight behind these candles. If you are strong, you buy when you see these. You have to buy. You have to buy. Because if you take the easy way out and you're not long and you walk away and then you come back after, you know when you're going to come back? You're going to come back on the green, big green monthly candles. And please don't fixate yourself on this. This is the rare part of the cycle. Most of the times, okay, you are going to be coming onto these parts. These are most of the times, okay? You're going to be coming on to this part. That's when you'll be coming. And then you're probably going to hold too long and it's going to test you. Oh, another green candle. It's going to test you and it's going to test you. You can't cheat your way out of it. You can't. I've tried, man. You can't cheat your way out of it. If you want to play momentum, you give up the best gains, right? Oh no, what's going on? Oh no, it's going to test you no matter what. You can't do anything. I'm telling you now. The only thing that actually works in crypto, for some reason, and I'm waiting for this to break, is waiting 12 to 18 months after the Bitcoin halving. I don't know why this is the only model left. And if we go to the Bitcoin halving, March, April 2024, right, we put it here. It's going to be right here somewhere. You walk forward 12 months, here you go. April to May, this is your window of time. That's it. That's it. And I'm prepared, and I hope you are too. It might test us again, man. It might only be here. It might. That's why nothing in this game is really guaranteed. But you got to think about, who are you listening to? Do we want to listen to the influencers who only get excited after the big green candles? Because I'm going to get more quiet. Yeah? I'm going to get more quiet as the big green candles come. I didn't care about that. We can't do anything. You can't do anything when you're halfway to fair value, man. You can play for a punt, but you can play anything for a punt. You got to find deep value. The more fanatics, the more people attacking you, the better. The more people saying, scam, the better. That's what you want to be. Because you're not going to hold, I'm telling you, you're not going to hold through this. Most people are not going to hold through it. And if you are holding, once we get up here, everyone's going to be begging me for higher targets. Everyone. Okay? But this is the thing, friends. My final message. You don't have to beg for the higher targets here. If you listen to me and you sit through the pain and put your gloves on down here, you don't have to beg for the higher targets because you went aggressive super early. And we are going to be considered super early when the Bitcoin halving comes March, April 2024, and then becomes December 2024. We move into 2025. I hope I make myself clear. Until next time, friends.